CJDropshipping is a comprehensive website to help every dropshipper from start to finish. In this video, we're going to be giving an overview of the main features of the website. This flowchart helps to illustrate the 5 main features: product sourcing, store authorization, product listing, connection, automatic order import, and manual order import. Number 1. Product sourcing. When wanting to source a product, we can start by searching the product name to see if it exists at CJ. If not, we can just post a sourcing request. For starting users, sourcing on individual product is more suitable, since store existed product is for users with authorized stores. Once we have the product details and are satisfied with the offer, we can move on to orders. However, there are 2 different order processing methods. The method we use depends on if we have authorized stores at CJ. If interested in automatic order processing, then it's necessary to learn about store authorization and product listing or connection. If not, we can simply skip to part 5, order upload via Excel or CSV file. Number 2, store authorization. There are 4 types of stores available to be integrated into CJ: Shopify, eBay, ShipStation, and WooCommerce. For each store type, there are general and detailed authorization steps available on the same page. Other store types can be expected in the short future as we're continuously working on the integration. Number 3, product listing or connection. In order to identify the products from store orders, we need to create a connection for those store products and those at CJ. If the product is already in our store, then a product connection is required. If the product doesn't exist in our store, the listing feature is a great help. Simply click the List button on the CJ product page and set the details. The product will be added to our store and an automatic connection will be established. Number 4. Automatic order import. When we finish store authorization and product connection, orders on these products from our store will be pulled into our CJ account automatically. We can select the orders we want CJ to deal with and add them to the cart. Confirm the selected orders and make a payment. Then CJ will take care of everything afterward. Number 5. Order upload via Excel or CSV file. For users without any authorized stores, the only way to send orders to CJ is by uploading a spreadsheet. In this case, we have to add the products to a SKU list, which can also be achieved on the product page. We can choose Import Excel Orders here, and download the template to fill in the order details. When the orders are uploaded, we will need to add them to the cart and pay. CJ will process the orders immediately upon receipt. Tracking numbers and after-sale services are also available for every order. We hope this video has helped give you a basic understanding of the functions available on CJ Dropshipping.